on, you got a fish, baby. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Brens Fishing Life. Man, it's been a while since I did a nighttime Willow Beach episode, but here we are. Don't get me wrong, I've been coming out, I've been getting out here. As you've seen lately, I've been doing a lot of like meat fishing, shad season of course, but I've been coming out here as well. Got to keep on them, got to figure them out, see where they're at, and keep up with the pattern. So, yeah, doing the same. I've been doing some day fishing here, doing some night fishing here. Been productive both day and night, but in different spots. The fish are moving a lot. So, yeah, we're going to try to figure it out today. That's the plan. See if we can get on a couple. So we'll see how we do. Hopefully we can catch one. Stay tuned. Hopefully we get some action, guys. This looks like a big one, guys. Yanking me around for sure. Woo! Oh, he pulled it, guys. Darn it. Oh, that was a good one. Darn. Man, that's a bummer. Hit it on the Garcia double. Just hit on the Garcia double, guys. This little double. If you guys don't have this one in your arsenal, contact Tony. This is a must-have plug. Let's see if there are any bite marks or anything on here I need to be worried about. Man, that sucks. Make sure you didn't tear my line up. Well, that'll get me going. Alright guys, start it back up. Got one. It's been about an hour since my last bite, but we are on, guys. Looks like a decent sized one. Got this one on the swim bait. Decided to switch it up. It's wrapped up, I think. Feels funny. Oh yeah. That's at least a 12er. That's at least a 12er. I gotta get this fish in the bag. Yeah, baby. Woo! Gee. Alright, guys. Yeah, it's a nice one. That is a nice one. Oh, man. That's a nice one. This is at least a 12-pounder. I had to guess. Yeah, baby. Swim bait. A little swim bait action. Get this guy unhooked and give it away and send her back down. Alright, let's give it away. $11.3. Alright, lady, I'll let you go right now. Lost the first one, that was a big one, but got another bite. So stoked. Yeah, let's give it a little, get it back in the water. Stoked, guys. First fish finally hooked up. We're about coming up on 2 hours on the water, 2 bites, lost one, got one, and we're gonna continue the journey and continue the grind. See if we can get another fish. Stay tuned, guys. Hopefully, I mean, obviously the fish are biting tonight. Hopefully we can get another one before morning. Then we gotta rush home and get the kids to school. So stay tuned, guys. Got one, guys. Third hookup of the night. I'll try to get this one in there. Whew. This one feels good. Oh, I love this new pedal drive that I got, this Hobie drive. It's got that instant reverse. Man, it makes life so much easier. Might be wrapped up. Doesn't look like a crazy big one. Yeah, wrapped up. Not a crazy big one at all. Ugh. Super wrapped up though. Got him in there. Woo! Okay, buddy. Whew, this guy tore my finger up bad. All right. Where's my light at? There it is. Another one on the swim bait, guys. Seven and a half pounder. Oh, we're gonna try to release this guy fast. Woo! There we go, guys. Quick release, 7.5 pounder, second fish of the night, third hookup of the night. Lost the first one, probably a big one. That one felt like a big one only because it got wrapped up. Oh, tore my finger up too, pretty bad. Ouchie. Stay tuned. Hopefully we'll get another bite. See how we do. Whew. Well, guys, nothing on the way back. And I thought we were gonna at least get a little bit of action, which we actually did. I got a little bit of nibbles, little bites. They're being a little timid on the way in, but I got a couple nice bumps, but no hookup, unfortunately. So we're gonna call it a little bit early. Probably about 30-45 minutes earlier than I was planning on leaving, so no need to rush this morning. Man, what a solid day. 2 fish caught, 1 fish lost. That 1 fish I lost, I think, was pretty big, so we're gonna go ahead and call it on this one, guys. We'll see what we do, maybe a part 2, I don't know, but stay tuned, guys. Thank you very much for watching. See you guys next time. What is up, guys? If you can't tell, it's nighttime, and if you can guess, you would guess that I'm at Willow Beach, you would be correct. I was planning on doing some day fishing. Unfortunately, plans had to change, but I still got to go fishing. So here I am doing some night fishing and seeing if we can get on some fish. Last time I came out, we went 2 for 3, lost a big one early on, and then I caught 2 after that throughout the morning/night. So we're going to see if we can kind of repeat that success tonight and see if we can get on a couple. So today was kind of weird. It was a kind of a muggy day. It was raining today. It's not raining right now, but as you can see, I'm ready in case it does rain. So we'll see how it goes. It's a little chilly tonight. It is water's 59 degrees, but yeah, guys, I'm pretty confident we can get on at least one tonight. So we'll see. Stay tuned. Whew. Let's get it. I'm already on, baby. Oh, should I keep this one? I need to get in reverse. Alrighty, let's get him, guys. That was fast. Nope, not a big guy. We'll take him. Whew. Actually, not a bad guy. Oh yeah, guys. I don't know. I've been out 10 minutes. That's what's up right there. I'll take that. Yes. Right. Oh, not a bad guy to start the night. Yes. Yeah. Get this guy hooked and send him on his way. $10.2. Take you. 10.2. Started off with a double D. Alright, guy. I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna let you go, big guy. Appreciate ya. 10.2. Start off the night, guys. Yeah. Whew. That was fast. That was fast as it gets. Not a bad way to start off the day or the night. 20 minutes out, got me a 10-pounder. And yeah, we're just gonna continue. It's not gonna get any worse than this. It's already a good night. So if we catch no more fish, it's still a win. Might even get a chance to get home a little earlier, get some sleep. But we'll see how we do. I think I still see some action in the area, and continue. We'll see how we do, guys. Gonna reverse. All right, we are on. We are on, baby. After catching that first one, I had a couple more bites, and it's been a while now since I had a fish. Maybe about an hour and a half. My fish finder battery died, so I don't know what time it is. But we are on. Oh yeah. That's awesome. Ooh. Oh, it's a nice one, guys. This feels like a nice one. Alright, I see him. I see him. Not a bad guy. Oh. He's circling. Got him. Give myself a break. He's still in the water. I got that deep net, so he's able to still he's able to get some air still. And I'm able to get a little bit of break. Now that I got the new drive has the instant reverse. So when I catch these fish, instead of these fish going straight up and down and yanking and leveraging the hook out, I get to back up now, which is a game changer. It really, really helps, especially with the bigger ones. We'll show you guys what this one looks like. It's not too bad at all. I'd say, I'm going to say in the 12-pound range. I'm going to say 12er before we take that's just a little guess. But we're going to get him unhooked. Get all my tools for success here ready to go. Oh my goodness, look at this guy. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. This might be over the 12-pound range I was talking about. Actually, now that I'm getting a better look at him. Yeah, this is looking like 14.8, guys. Get you in. Get you back in the water. Oh, get a better look at this one. She is 14.8. Oof. Well, alrighty, guys. Second fish in the bag. We are gonna go and continue. Well, alrighty, guys. I think we're gonna call it. I got no real action after that. I did get a couple nice bumps. I was getting short striked a lot. I probably had maybe 4 short strikes where they just kind of hit it and then they don't come back for it. That's how it is sometimes. But I caught 2. Stoked about that. Man, we're all done. So I'm gonna have leaving a little bit earlier than what I would normally leave, which gives me some time to not be rushing around. But I gotta get the kids up, get some lunches ready, bring the kids to school, and then I have the rest of the day to maybe make a video. But thank you guys so much for tuning in, and we'll see you guys next time. Oh man, it's a big fish, guys. Damn. My guy. Garcia triple. Yes. Alright. Whew. No issues.